hate doing that because it smells like the whole fridge.
Oh my God. All right, so this is how you do it, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, you want to see if it's good or bad?
That's good.
It should be good.
Totally good. And you pull that little nipple off of it. And look at it. Oh, that's beautiful. Careful. All right, that one's there. This one here. Here we go. I don't think you can get that out of there because it's already popped.
Feels mushy.
This is a little mushy, but I still think it's going to be good.
Yeah, it won't
Part
be
of
all,
it.
Won't be all bad.
Part of it's going to be good.
Oh.
I said, I think you could eat those brown spots.
Well, you can go in the garbage and get them.
I don't think I'm going to do that. That's fine. It looks good. So the idea is to chop it up small, and then when you mix it and smush it, it becomes like, you know, easier to turn into guac, right? You could add any of your 2 cents whenever you want. I am not the chef.
Can you get me a can of olives?
Can of olives? Okay. Where am I? All right, we're almost at the stage of putting other stuff into it. Holy guacamole, baby. Holy guacamole, Batman. All right, bam. Woo, mincemeat. Woo, that looked good. Watch your finger, man. That thing is sharp. I cut my hand on
Actually,
it.
not that sharp.
I cut my hand on it. All right, she scoops it up. She puts it in. Get it all. That's good.
Yeah, that's why it goes a long way. So I think.
I think so. Squeeze it. Squeezy wheezy. That's lime, by the way, if you guys don't know what that is. The green ones are lime. The yellow ones are lemons. Or lemons. Look at her. She's very strong. She's smushing the hell out of that.
I think I can use a whole
She
lime.
murdered that thing. Yeah, I would use a whole lime because I like lime. Mm. Mm. Woo, that was good. All right, here we go. Oh yeah.
I actually should have put it in a bowl first.
That's what we're talking about. Oh. And oh, look, salt. Salt. Putting salt in there. All right, oh, putting ground pepper. Lots of ground pepper. I like ground pepper. Oh, yeah. Oh, garlic, garlic. Some more salt. Garlic. Squeeze it. More. Okay. I think she's going to slide them into this thing and try to get the juice out of it. I would keep the juice.
No, the juice just makes the whole thing runny and icky.
Really?
Yeah, makes it just goes bad quicker.
Ooh, herbs and spices. We're using a fork to mush it. And as you can see, she is an expert at mushing.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? All right, we're testing it. We need a chip. All right, here we go. All right, hang on, let me get it. Good.
That tastes good.
Very good.
Doesn't it?